Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Divakaran, Cochin. Suprabhatham. Today I am going to discuss about the ശ്വാസം മുട്ട് അഥവാ ആസ്മ പലതരത്തിലുള്ളതായിട്ട് കാണാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കും. പൊടികളുടെ അലർജി കൊണ്ട് ആസ്മ ഉണ്ടാകും. ചില വസ്ത്രങ്ങളുടെ കൊണ്ട് ആസ്മ ഉണ്ടാകും. ചില ഭക്ഷണങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ട് ആസ്മ ഉണ്ടാകും. ഇപ്പോൾ the asthma, the physical movement of air into and out of the lungs is generated by different in pressure within the lungs compared to the surroundings atmosphere pressure. Forcefully expanding the chest and lungs by muscular action and then passively allowing them to return to their former size produce the pressure differences. The rate and depth breathing be consciously modified. However, the underlying drive to breathe, controlled by areas within the brain stem, were responses to regularize the breathing. Muscles of which we are usually not aware occur according to the levels of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the blood. Inhalation, the chief muscles used in the respiration at rest are the diaphragm at the base of the chest and the internal intercostal between the ribs and the forceful external intercostals between the ribs and the forceful inhalation. Additional muscles assist in moving the ribs and sternum to expand the chest further and stretch the lungs even more. Exhalation, breathing out, is largely passive, like a stretched classic band. The enlarged lungs recoil and shrink when the diaphragm, intercostals, and other inhalation muscles relax, and abdominal pressure pushes the diaphragm upward. Forced expansion lung brings rather muscles into play to actively compress the lungs beyond their usual resting volume. The Sun in ascendant aspected by Mars and causes asthma. Planet in the 6th house aspected by Malefics or hemmed between the malefic planets, the person may get asthma. Ascendant aspected by Mars and Saturn causes asthma. Sun, if being the lord of the 10 houses, conjunct with or aspect by Sun, causes asthma. Sun and Jupiter and Saturn in the 4th house develop asthma. Those who are born in the Paurnami days, the moon is very powerful, but the 6th lord who is aspects to the moon, the person may get asthma. Sun, Jupiter, and Saturn in the 4th house develop asthma. Rahu in the fourth and Lord of the Ascendant afflicted causes asthma. The Venus in 12th and 4th house both afflicted causes asthma. Moon is the karaka for mind and blood. And the moon also malefic, moon with Ketu, or the fourth house is afflicted. The person may get asthma. Rahu or Ketu or Saturn in the eighth aspects bar conjunct with the malefics causes asthma. If the ascendant is aspected by Mars and Saturn, asthma will be developed. A planet in the sixth house aspects or conjunct with malefics or is hemmed between malefics causes asthma. Ascendant aspected by Mars and Saturn results asthma. Malefics in the fourth lord of ascendant with Rahu in eighth will cause asthma. Sun in the ascendant aspected by Mars causes asthma. Lord of the ascendant with Venus in a malefic house, and if the fourth house is afflicted causes asthma. The Sun as Lord of the trined house conjunct or respectively with Saturn causes asthma. The Sun, Jupiter, Saturn in the fourth house causes asthma. Ketu and Rahu in the sixth or 12th house, the moon also malefic, the person may get asthma. Fourth house is hemmed between malefics or the aspect of Saturn, the person may get asthma. Rahu in the fourth with afflicted ascendant Lord causes asthma. Afflicted Venus in 12th house and fourth house also afflicted causes asthma. Similarly, we have to find out the asthma through astrology. I will continue tomorrow. Diseases can be detected through astrology, part 71.